Hi, I'm Sander, Product Specialist at Barco. In this upcoming video series, we want to focus on the importance of image processing for LED displays. Let's start by talking about color standards. Your video wall may be peaking in color capabilities, but the wrong color processing will still ruin your image. A color standard or color gamut is a way to make sure that a color on one display matches the same color on another display. For example, when I'm choosing a specific kind of red in my content, I want to make sure that this type of red is the same when I put my content on another display. If you take this for granted, I invite you to walk in a television store and see how almost all televisions show different colors despite of having the same exact video feed. The color standard is defined by the characteristics of the primary colors red, green, and blue, which make up the so-called color triangle. Examples of widely used color gamuts are Rec 709, sRGB, DCI-P3, and Rec 2020. However, there's a catch. The ability of a display to reach these primary colors is not sufficient to also ensure accurate color reproduction. We also need to make sure that colors within the color triangle are mapped correctly in order to achieve accurate colors. For example, we can go from white to red in different ways. This tone mapping is a property of the image processor which is often overlooked, but just as important as the ability to show the primary colors. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. Every LED display has a native color range. This is the widest possible color triangle the display can show. Typically, the display will oversaturate the content, which might look appealing, but it's not always desired. For example, if my content is created for the Rec 709 color gamut, I need to be able to recalibrate my display to this particular standard. As you notice, after calibration, my image looks a lot more true to nature, but more important, I now know the colors are what the content designer had in mind when grading the image. To conclude, in order to show the desired color, a display not only needs to have primary colors that match or exceed those of the color standards, but it also needs to map all colors within the color triangle correctly. Color accuracy plays a vital role in many applications like control rooms, broadcast, digital art, and car design, just to name a few. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let's talk next time for more on LED and colors.